It's one of the warmest parts of France.
Saint-Georges-de-Didonne.
Saint-Georges-de-Didonne, exactly. Charentaise stone building consisting of 3 separate Gites all in one building.
Hi Leggett YouTube viewers, welcome back to another episode of our property tours. Today I'm back with the lovely Louise Power that you saw previously in some of our episodes in properties basically that are nearby. This one we are visiting today. And so we are in the Charente-Maritime in the southwest of France, not far from the ocean side. Louise, bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour Cyril.
Can you tell us more a bit about where we are, the area, before we view the property today?
Yes, very much. As you said, we're in the southwest of France, in a lovely region. We have a good climate here. It's a temperate climate, but it's one of the warmest parts of France. We have coastal areas about 35 minutes from this property, 2 sets of beautiful beaches, one more inland and one along the Atlantic coast. We are actually here at a property today that is in a calm and quiet hamlet, but also near to 3 or 4 major towns.
Speaking about the ocean side, because I think it's important, we'll see in a minute that this domain comprises 3 Gites. We'll speak a bit more about that. Being in this lovely area, not far from the ocean, there are many lovely villages. Talmont-sur-Gironde, Méchet-sur-Gironde.
Yes.
Saint-Georges-de-Didonne.
Saint-Georges-de-Didonne, exactly. But the countryside here is very beautiful too. Personally, I've lived here nearly 21 years.
In Pont.
In Pont, yeah, which is 10 kilometres or 10 minutes from here, which is a beautiful medieval market town. And I've brought up my children here, and now I have a very lovely life with my older children here too. So we've evolved over time. It's a multinational culture too, although there are the French Charentaise people that we enjoy mixing with. There is an international population that comes here to live.
We are facing vineyards, the famous cognac vineyards all around.
Pinot.
Let's dive into this property, what it's all about, the land.
Yes, we have 8,500 metres squared of terrain, beautifully kept, well maintained, some terraces, some country gardens, some verandas, some big shrubs, some mature trees and fruit trees. We also have 290 metres squared of habitable space consisting of a 2-storey house, so a ground floor and first floor house, and then next to it but detached on the same plot is a beautiful long Charentaise stone character building, longère, consisting of 3 separate Gites all in one building. So there's a big business potential there, and it has been run as a successful Gite business.
With a lot of parking space right
huge
in front of the Gites. You can easily park 8 cars in there.
And it's completely enclosed, the whole property, even though it's got it's a large terrain.
That's great when you have kids.
It's quite rare to have that.
And it's a flat land.
It's mostly flat land, yes, indeed, yeah.
So easy maintenance, that really helps.
It is, yes. It's because of the way that the gardens are structured with the big shrubs and trees, it's mostly just get on your tractor and cut the grass. But this property is very interesting because if you are running it as a Gite business, your longère Charentaise property with the 3 Gites in is separate to your own house accommodation.
Excellent. You keep your privacy and all of that in a really good budget. But you'll see that on the website.
You'll see that.
I think that's a great investment. Perfect location, nice land, lots of trees, beautiful exteriors. It's in perfect conditions. The roofs are brand new.
The roofs have all been redone. The in-ground pool has just had a new sand filter placed in. The pumps and all of the machinery to work the pool are modern.
It has been changed today. Why we were arriving.
That's true, yes. And even the barn that was an ancient barn has been fully renovated. Even the beautiful, huge 12-foot door has been changed. So everything has been renovated, but kept the character that it used to have many years ago. As I mentioned before, this property has been run as a successful Gite business, and it has immense future commercial potential. It actually consists of a detached 2-storey house and a Charentaise longère of 3 connected 2-storey dwellings. Detached house consists of, on the ground floor, a living dining room with wood burner and fully equipped kitchen, toilet and a ground floor bedroom. And then on the first floor we have a hallway, a second bedroom, a shower room and toilet. And then as we go into the Charentaise stone longère, we have 3 Gites. Gite 1, ground floor kitchen diner with wood burner, shower room and toilet. And then on the first floor, a hallway, bedroom 3, bedroom 4 and a toilet. Gite 2 consists of a ground floor kitchen diner with wood burner, hallway, shower room and toilet and utility room. And then on the first floor, a hallway, and in effect, bedroom 5, bedroom 6, an office or spare room and a toilet. And then finally, in our last sheet, we have a ground floor, kitchen diner, shower room and toilet. And then on the first floor, a hallway, bedroom 7, bedroom 8 and bedroom 9. Outbuildings and exterior include a storage room, a large workshop and an awning. We also have a large park gardens and 2 wells, an in-ground swimming pool with new sound filtration and modern pumping system. And key features include PVC double glazed windows, wooden shutters, maintained and in good order, fibre optic internet connection throughout, 3 wood burners and electric heating, and a conforming sanitation system consisting of 2 separate septic tanks.
Well, what a fantastic house! So, if anyone has questions, what do they need to do?
The links are all below the video, so just look below the video and you'll see the links. Click on the link and that will take you to the property page and then all the information is there for you.
There's a form, you can fill in any question directly to Louise. She'll be super pleased to answer you, or you can drop a comment below the video as well.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, like the video. This really helps us producing more videos and more similar content every week. And I hope you liked the property as much as we did today. And I think it's time, as usual, with my colleagues, to find a nice restaurant for lunch. You can see that from my belly. I love restaurants. And it's friends after all, gastronomy. So until the next episode, see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.